This three-piece Fimibuke Kids Backpack Set gives a school backpack, insulated lunch bag, and pencil pouch that work together as a coordinated everyday kit for young students. The main backpack feels very light for its size, yet uses sturdy, water-resistant polyester that keeps books and electronics protected on rainy walks home. Thoughtful internal and external pockets, including room for a full-size laptop and side bottle holders, make it easy for children to keep school supplies organized without digging around. The padded, breathable shoulder straps, chest buckle, and reflective accents show real attention to comfort and safety for growing kids who carry the bag daily. The matching lunch bag actually keeps food and drinks at a stable temperature for several hours and wipes clean quickly after inevitable spills. With its soft purple color, subtle diamond pattern, and age-appropriate proportions, this set suits elementary through early teen years and also works nicely as a gift for school or travel.